How to recover Pinterest account. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as our channel is really small and you subscribing will really help the channel grow. So now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. There are two steps that we need to follow. The first step is first you open your Pinterest account, and for example here you can continue with Facebook or Google if it's already connected. But if it's not connected and you want to physically access it and you can't enter your password, you have to click on forgot password and it will ask you for a verification that will come on your email address. Once you click on OK that you forgot your password, it will directly come on your email address, and then you have to click on the link on your email address and it will automatically let you reset. But in case the second option, if this also is not viable for you and if your account is suspended, the next thing you have to do is very simple. If your account is suspended and you want to get your account back, you want to recover your Pinterest account, open your Chrome and then search for Pinterest account suspension. Once you put this search, this page will show up. You have to click on account suspension. This page will open. You have to scroll down. It will show you all the community guidelines and all, and here you'll find an option of appealing an account suspension, appealing for it. So you can basically get in touch. You have to click on this and it will open your link. It will ask you your username, your Gmail address, and you can type an appeal, and in some days time they'll get back to you and most probably your account will be recovered. So if this video helped on how to recover Pinterest account, make sure to hit a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.